Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Sweet potatoes aren't just delicious and nutritious, they're also a joy to grow for their stunning ornamental vines. Whether you're expanding your plant collection or preparing your plant to overwinter, propagating sweet potato vines is a simple and rewarding process. Today, I'll show you how to use the layering method to propagate your sweet potato vine in soil. This technique is easy and saves you the extra step of rooting cuttings and water. As our vibrant and healthy sweet potato plant continues to flourish in the warm sunlight and rich soil of our garden, it graciously sends out long and winding vines that gracefully crawl across the earth. These vines, extending far and wide, present us with a wonderful opportunity to propagate new plants at absolutely no cost. To get started, you'll need some pots filled with good quality potting soil. This is essential to give your vine the best chance of rooting successfully. When selecting pots, it is crucial to ensure that they have a draining hole at the bottom to allow excess water to escape and prevent waterlogging. It is crucial that you carefully choose a vibrant and healthy growing vine for propagation. This particular vine we are looking at is thriving with lush green leaves and sturdy stems, making it an ideal candidate for creating new plants. As we inspect the vine closely, we can see that there are specific sections where we want the roots to grow. Gently pulling off some of the leaves from these chosen areas is essential, as roots will develop from the exposed leaf nodes. This step is crucial in ensuring that the vine successfully establishes itself in its new environment and continues to thrive. By carefully selecting a robust vine and strategically removing leaves to promote root growth, you are setting the stage for successful propagation and the creation of healthy new sweet potato plants. Take your time and pay attention to these details to maximize the chances of success in this exciting process. Next, we're going to position the vine inside the pot filled with good potting soil. As you do this, carefully make sure to bury the vine with soil as you go around, keeping those bare nodes tucked beneath. Remember, as you bury the vine, make sure to cover it well, leaving only the top leaves exposed. This allows for optimal growth and prevents the plant from rotting or becoming damaged. Properly burying the vine ensures that it will establish a strong root system and thrive in its new environment. It is important to follow this step to guarantee the healthy and successful growth of your sweet potato vine. You can continue to propagate more sweet potato vines by repeating this same process multiple times. Each time you do so, you are creating new life that will grow and thrive, bringing a touch of natural beauty to your garden or home. As you watch these plants flourish and spread, you will feel a sense of pride and joy in nurturing something so vibrant and alive. The lush green vines winding their way around your living space will not only add visual appeal, but also purify the air and create a calming atmosphere. With each new plant that sprouts from your efforts, you are creating a living, breathing work of art that will continue to bring you happiness for years to come. Water the pots thoroughly, making sure the soil stays consistently moist, but not waterlogged, as your vine roots. Keeping the soil moist is crucial for successful propagation. After a couple of weeks, your sweet potato vine will be fully rooted inside the pots. Once you're happy with the root development and notice beautiful new growth, you can detach your vine from the parent plant. Simply cut it somewhere along the line to transplant it wherever you want. And there you have it. You've successfully propagated your sweet potato vines through layering. Now you can fill your garden with even more of these lovely plants. Thank you for joining us today. We are delighted to have you here and share our knowledge on the propagation of sweet potatoes by layering. We hope that the information provided in this guide has been helpful to you in your gardening journey. May your sweet potato vines flourish and bring you joy.